SHARPIE Fridge Art!
I find it really difficult to actually film while I'm doing, so I end up like going halfway through. Like here you've seen bits and pieces, and I'm hoping to show you as I evolve, now that I've remembered to pull the camera out.
Let's get started!
So what I've been doing is I've actually been using references off my iPad, my phone, my laptop, my iMac, and I've just been going back and forth using a charcoal pencil and sketching out the basic shapes. And then what I do is I go back over with a permanent marker. I've seen lots of Sharpie art that's done on plaster wall, which is great, it's awesome, but I haven't seen anyone kind of do this. I've seen fridges turn into Doctor Who TARDISes, which is kind of cool. I've seen people doing wrapping paper or wallpaper onto their fridges.
It's a bit of DC, a bit of Marvel, a bit of Yu-Gi-Oh!, Dragon Ball Z, anything from my past, anything from my childhood. So yeah, I hope you like what I show you so far. It's nowhere near finished.
Final reveal! Handy tips!
Guys, don't forget to subscribe.